So we've assigned our Stingray physically based shader material, and now we're actually going to edit it. We're going to add some color to our model. So I'm in the attribute editor and I have my cube material 1 selected, or whatever you named your Stingray material. And down here in the attributes, we can see various different settings we can modify. We're going to get into using these a little bit later, so I'm just going to collapse that for now. Same with this textures global, and I'm going to collapse this general settings and some of these other things. So we have this basic attributes window open. We're not going to use any of these to start with, but we have base color. So if I click this button right here, it's going to pull up a color wheel, just like you're familiar with in any Adobe software or other piece of software. And I can change the color of my object. I can increase the brightness of it with this slider. I can change the metallicness of my object, and for this I'm kind of going to need to see the sun a little bit, so I'm just going to rotate so I can see that light. And as I pump that metallicness up, you're going to see how my whole model changes based on that. It feels more metal. We have roughness. So if roughness is at 0, it's perfectly smooth. I can see the clouds and the sun and everything in my model. If roughness is higher, though, it creates a more sort of brushed metal finish. Emissive is, does it emit light? So if I turn that up and then I turn up the emissive intensity, this is like if I was working with something that's like neon and it's emitting light. Usually I like to leave this off. I'll show you how to work with emissive materials in Unity, so I don't necessarily recommend using this within Autodesk Maya. So